Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Python basics. Today, we'll cover essential concepts like variables, strings, numbers, and comments. You'll practice coding along with me using Jupyter Notebook or any source code editor of your choice. Let's dive in. Variables are like containers that hold information for your program. Here's an example where I store my name and age in variables. Follow these rules when naming variables. Start with a letter or underscore. No space, use underscores. Variables are case sensitive. myvar with a capital V is not the same as myvar with the small v. Let's practice. Create a variable to store your favorite color. Create a variable to store your current age and print them using the print function. Feel free to pause the video. Strings are sequences of characters. Python provides methods to easily manipulate them. Let's explore how to change the case of a string. We use .title to capitalize the first letter of the word, .upper to capitalize the whole word, and .lower to write the word in small letters. Let's practice. Store your full name in a variable and print it in title case, uppercase, and lowercase. Remember, you can pause the video. Combining strings is super useful, especially when personalizing messages. You can use the plus operator to join strings. Let's practice. Create variables for your first and last name and combine them into a single variable and print a greeting. Whitespace can make your output clearer. Use \T for tabs and \N for new lines. Let's practice. List 3 hobbies, each on a new line. Add tabs before each hobby. Sometimes, strings have unwanted spaces. Use .strip methods to remove them. Let's practice. Store your favorite food with extra spaces, strip the spaces and print it. Python handles integers and floats seamlessly. Just be mindful when mixing them, they result in a float. Let's practice. Add 2 integers. Manipulate an integer by a float. Combining numbers and strings directly causes errors. Use str function to fix this. Let's practice. Store your age in a variable, print a message that includes your age using str function. Comments make your code easier to understand. They are essential for teamwork and future you. Use comments to explain why, not what. Let's practice. Write a comment describing your favorite programming language. Add a multi-line comment explaining your dream project. Let's end with the Zen of Python, a poetic guide to writing better code. Open your terminal, type import this, and enjoy. Great job! You now have a solid foundation in Python. Continue practicing, and you'll master it in no time. Happy coding, and don't forget to like, comment, and share if you enjoyed the video. Also hit the subscription button below and the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.